Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You'll start by opening the Figma file and selecting the frame you'll work in. Once done, enable rulers or a layout grid so you can see spacing. This helps you measure margins precisely. Now set your intended margin values mentally or jot them down. 24px or 1/2 inch are common choices because you'll apply them consistently. Make sure to lock the frame size if needed to avoid accidental resizing, and move directly to adding guides for exact placement. Next, drag guides from the rulers to mark your margin edges on all 4 sides. This gives you a visible boundary for content. Alternatively, set a layout grid with columns and gutters sized so the inner column aligns with your margin value. This lets you snap elements quickly. Then apply constraints and padding to frames and components so they maintain those margins when resized. Make sure to group or name guides and grids clearly so collaborators understand the intended layout behavior. To finalize, test responsiveness by resizing the frame and watching how components respect the margins. This confirms your constraints and padding are correct. Once satisfied, use Smart Selection and tidy up to enforce even spacing and alignment across elements. If things go wrong, elements overflow or margins shift, recheck guide placement, component padding, and constraint settings, because most margin issues stem from incorrect constraints or nested frames. Finally, save a version so you can revert if adjustments are needed.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.